Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Hi, Sam here. Okay, it's the 4th of October today. I finally got my delivery from Culture Hustle. I got the pinkest pink. It's pretty darn pink. You got to give them that. That is definitely pink. And look, we got some tension sheet. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. I will be squeezing bubbles of air. Oh dear, is there a cut there? I couldn't think of what I wanted to say. Yes, I will be squeezing bubbles of air at you, apparently. Right, let's open it up. I'm desperate to have a look. Oh, here we go. It's pretty darn pink. Yep, 300 mils. This was, oh, I can't remember. I'll put how much it is in the thing. I never check. I should do, but I don't. However, now I was doing my Inktober, Pinktober thing in this, but they've raised the stakes because they also sent me this. Isn't it cute? Look, this is my Pinktober, and it's a special little book with all the prompts in it on every page. And now I don't know what to do. I'm worried that the paper is really thin, or it won't. Oh, look, it's got pink on the edges. Or it'll seep through because they've actually done it like on each page kind of thing. So I'm worried about that, especially with washes. So I don't know what to do, but they've sent me this and now I feel I must use it. I don't know whether to use it and not do a wash, just do the ink kind of thing so it doesn't get wet. Or draw it on a different bit of paper and stick it in. Yeah. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to weirdly underline this in the pink and the black and maybe a micron just to see if it like goes through, because then it's like underlined and it's not like I did anything. You know, it could look like I meant it to look that way. Does that make sense? I hope so. I haven't actually checked on my dip pens since last year. I think that's what they call rust. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. I do not look after things proper. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I'm getting rust on my paper. There's rust on my paper. Everything's rolling away. Hi, like and subscribe. Stop it. I do have a couple of nibs I've never used. I don't know how good they are. Let's have a go at this one. We're starting off well, aren't we? Okay, I know you shouldn't dip because it you know, makes it go all weird, but I'm just doing it. So let's see if we can underline this thing and see. Oh wow, just wow. that is pretty darn pink. I've just done a random heart. I'll know why it was there. It's fine. Right, let's see if you can see it on the other side of the paper. Oh, actually, I mean a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it a tiny bit, but that's not too bad. Let's try it with the black and see what happens. I think I've had this since last year and it's still going. It's still fine. So if you were wondering, it's okay. Let's just go around our heart. I'm trying to make it look like I meant this to happen, you know, but I want it thick enough so I can see if it's going to be an issue. Okay, someone phoned me and I'm filming on my phone, so it's gone all funny. Anyway, right, I've done that. Oh, okay. I mean, it's coming through a little, especially here. I don't know. I'm really scared. I don't want to like do the wrong thing, but I really want to use this book. I don't know if I can just like cut bits out and stick it in, or if that'll look weird. I suppose it'll be okay. Rather than using this actual paper, I'll just cut out a load of bits this size and stick it in. That'd work. That'll be fine. So I don't know if I've done her a bit too big to do that. I may redraw her. I think I'm going to redraw her. It's simple enough. I have done a couple of other drawings and I was waiting for this to come in. So I've got 4 drawings basically to put in that book. I think I'll cut the right size paper, stick it in, boom, done. But I just want to see what it's like. The idea was to colour in her hair like this. So I just want to see what it's going to look like now. I'm so terrible at looking after my stuff. Everything I own is ruined. Like everything. Oh well, I'll just try painting it in rather than using the dip pen, because that's one thing, the black goes really well with a dip pen. I have just splattered that all over. Yeah, I'm redoing this. The black goes really well with a dip pen. The pink on my small amount of try, I guess because it's a lighter colour, it's a bit scratchy. So, but this is going on rather nicely. I mean, it's pink. What else can I say? Actually, it's really going nicely. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this very much. I'm not doing it so carefully because I'll redo this now. A bit smaller so it fits in my new book. My exciting new book. But there we go. Okay. What do you reckon? I mean, it's pink. That's pink. So prompt number 2, or day 2, is peace dog. So I've done this little happy dog. You can just see it. I'm going to very quickly do the line art, and then I thought I want to do his glasses and this like bandana thing in pink. I think that'll work, so I'll try. Oh, and there's a little flower up there, so we'll do all that in pink, and we'll use this little micron size 5, and we'll see how we go. Does anybody else, if you're doing like Inktober or whatever version you're doing, do you feel like you're cheating if you don't use a dip pen? Please tell me it's not just me. Comment down below. Is it okay? Am I forgiven? I mean, you know, consciously I think it's all right, but subconsciously I'm just thinking, oh, you're not doing it right. You should be using a dip pen for some strange reason. I want him to be really fluffy and silly. And he's like sitting with his little paws just sort of spread out like this. And then he's got a really long tail for no reason other than I thought it would fill up space better, and he was slightly wonky. So he's got a really long tail. Okay, so that's our basic pupper. Let's give him some eyeballs, colour in his nose, trying to leave a couple of spots. I do have white ink and stuff, but let's see if we can do it this way. I'm going to leave his, I'm going to have really long whiskers, but we'll leave that to last. Okay, the word fear doesn't cover how I'm feeling. I have to do circles. Oh, it's just, take the ink off a little bit, the pencil. Oh dear, words. This isn't the final thing. I'm going to redo it because this is way too big to fit in my snazzy new book. So we'll put that safe over there, shall we? But still, circles. Everybody's favourite. Basic circles. I think I want them really thicker. Definitely want them thicker. And we'll just colour them in. It doesn't spread as much as the black does. I'm using exactly the same pen as I did for the black. So I don't know if that's got anything to do with anything. And then I want to do this little flower as well. Oh dear. Oh dear. That's fine, actually. It's working quite well. I think all of a sudden all the ink decided to come off my dip pen. That's fine. See? It worked out quite well. Right, okay, I also want this guy. I should have done this before the black, but I can always go over the top with the black. Is it going to go over the black? It's going to pick up the black and smudge the black, so that's great. Can I use a little tiny paintbrush maybe? There you go. How dinky is this? Let's use this up as well. That's better, way better. It's fine for this. I might even go over it with this a bit, but it is very scratchy. What's happened to my paintbrush? All the bits are coming off. I swear I haven't done anything. What's this? There's a King Art. Original gold. Yeah, the gold's come off. Interesting. I tell you what, you always get like, I've really cut down on my subscription boxes. I went down to just the Schooler box because it's the English one, so the postage is, the postage for like, what they call paletful, 20 odd quid. I mean, it was stupid. It was stupid. I was getting like 4 a month. I admit to it. I had my problems, okay. So I cut it down to Schooler box. And then I saw the, what's it called, Up Crate, and it looked quite interesting. So I've had that for a month, and I'll see. But anyway, oh, I used to get so many subscription boxes. I'm kind of addicted to them, if I'm honest. But do I want to go around that in black? I might go around the glasses and stuff in black. But oh, you get so many paintbrushes. I've got so much art stuff. It's just ridiculous. I think if we sort of go along with the grin, so it's like pushing his glasses up a little bit. It'll look cute. There we go. Now the question is, do I want to like colour it in? Do I want to shade it? I suppose I do. If I'm using this paper and just cutting it out and sticking it in, I could do, couldn't I? So anyway, this is day 2, essentially, our little beast dog. And then this is just like a check-in with this stuff. I also got something else, but I'm not going to show you that this time. I'll do another video on that because that looks fun. It's also inks. It's still ink, so it still counts. But essentially, this is what we're going to be doing. I could just go around. Oh yes, I think I do. Obviously, when I redo it a bit smaller, I'll do it a bit better. But yes. This is what I want. Well, this is what I want, but way better. What I want is way better in my head. But hey, we're trying, we're growing, we're trying different things. But I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with this. This Stuart Semple or Culture Hustle pink. It's just called pink. Do you get it? Ink with a P. Pink. Ooh, so I've got that one, and then I've got the Blink, which is, you know, BL black. There you go. So I'm getting quite a selection of them. If Stuart Semple wants to send me his potions, he does it like £100 for these acrylic paints, and they come in these little bottles and they look so cute, and I want them so much, but they're £100 and I'm poor. But if Stuart Semple wants to on some video that gets like 10 to 20 views, I won't say no. Oh dear. But anyway, I'm leaving it there. I'm gonna do another video. I'm going on holiday next week, so I don't know what's going to happen or if I can upload videos from Denmark. How much would that cost me? I don't even know. We'll figure something out. Maybe the Wi-Fi at the hotel. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, ideas. But anyway, I'm leaving it there. I just thought I'd do a little quick check-in with this. I'm going to redo the drawings that I've done on slightly different bits of paper in, ooh, my Pinktober book. Look, it's exactly right. Exactly right. Show me something I don't know. Oh, interesting. So we've got, I think, Miranda. I was told Miranda, so our girl is called Miranda. So the dog is called Florence. I've got Florence in my head. So these are 2 characters, and we're just going to see what ends up happening with them. We shall see, but there's a happy little dog. So we're going to have incredibly long, whee! There we go. Whiskers. Couldn't say it while I was doing it, but this, I'm off. Next time, I'll show you what's in here. Ooh, it's going to be fun. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and all that absolutely awesome stuff. And I will see you next time for whatever it is that I do. A mess, probably. Anyway,